I'm hungry. I haven't ate. I'm trying to like hold off till, I know it's 11. We're supposed to eat around like 12:01-ish.
Dad said about 2 or 3.
What? Heck no.
Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideout.
Did you try your burgers yet?
Yeah, they're good. They're a little spicy. I put red hot in them.
Oh,
I didn't think that wasn't like hot though.
Yeah.
But it's
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm so hungry right now.
come here, hurry.
I'm coming. I love it. So nice.
It was at this very moment that Dylan realized his turkey was not done. So back to the grill it went. He actually smoked the turkey, so it does take a little bit longer, and it still needed a good hour. So we ended up not eating till like 4:35. So in the meantime, to keep us occupied, we decorated the tree, and we did use a lot of the ornaments that we already had on hand from previous years. But I did buy a couple like ribbons to make some bows, and I did buy one set of ornaments only because it was the green color that I have been obsessed with this year. So I really wanted to incorporate that color into the tree somehow, and this was the only set that had that color. So I ended up finding it at Lowe's. I spent a little too much on these ornaments, I'm not gonna lie, but we'll be able to use them for future years. And the red ornaments that came in this set were really beautiful too.
Zoe don't like the bone.
Huh?
Zoe don't like the bone.
She'll like it? Are you sure she's not just trying to come steal everybody else's?
No, I hate doing every time.
You're trying to see what y'all are doing.
I'm gonna do this one. Mom, I did the highest one of everybody's. Wait, Mom. Mom, where are those like stuffies that we got?
They're in that bag.
Can you go grab ours?
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here, same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far, everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world.
Oh, the tree looks cute.
At least 2 of the 3?
Here's 5 things. So,
3 of the 5.
3 of the 5. So here.
3 of the 5.
Ready? 3 of the 5 things.
Okay, I want to make like
So I'm gassing macaroni. Right.
Gassing.
I'm gassing the, okay. And then we got green bean casserole. Alright.
No.
Broccoli casserole. Or greens.
Eat it.
Them are your last 2 options. A little bit of this or a little bit of that.
Okay, today's the day we get our new door in. So, new to us. We actually found it on Facebook Marketplace for like $100. It was super inexpensive, and instead of it having this like this, it's like more oval. So, I'm really excited. Are you excited?
I seriously cannot believe it's already December. Like, where did the time go? It's already time to start Christmas shopping. But the great news is that Rent-A-Center has you covered, offering great deals on all your favorite electronics, appliances, furniture for your entire home, tools, and so much more. Now, as someone who has lived on a budget my entire life, I know the financial strain that comes this time of year, and whether you are looking to purchase items for your family, or maybe for your home, maybe the appliances need updating, or maybe the couch has seen better days, Rent-A-Center helps you get the things that you need to keep your home functioning and looking beautiful, while still maintaining a tight budget without using credit, and also offering flexible payment options. You no longer have to stress about the things you need for your home or the gifts that you're going to be giving to those you love. And I was so excited when I saw that Rent-A-Center offered this DeWalt tool set, because first off, my husband really needed a new tool set, and it's perfect because now we can tackle things around the house together, so it's like a win-win. He gets a gift for Christmas and I also get the gift of help around this house, starting by installing our new to us front door. And Rent-A-Center also has 12 days of Christmas drops. You can check their site daily and you can see the top picks. Not only is this going to show you some great deals, but it's also going to give you great ideas for Christmas. I know we all get stumped every now and then. You can now start shopping by using my links in the description box and snag the perfect gift for yourself or find that perfect item for your home today. Now, the front door is officially off. It's time to install the new to us front door. But first, Dylan's going to have to replace the hinges, so he's going to work on getting that switched over. But I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on why we decided to switch out the front door. So first off, the front door is beautiful. I actually love the original front door we have. The long, narrow, like oval shaped glass is very beautiful. It's definitely my style. I love the woodworking on that door. However, the door has seen better days. With the dogs jumping on it and it just being an older door, it actually sat outside at my family's ranch for a while. The wood on the inside is damaged and the actual glass popped out not too long ago. Our dog Knox, he's an American Bulldog, he's about 81 pounds, and he jumped because he got excited we were home, and his paw went right through the glass. The glass came flying out, and he stuck his little head through the glass. It was like, hey, I'm so glad you're home. It was honestly terrifying. Thank goodness this happened when it was us and not like the delivery drivers or something. But yeah, ever since then, the door, like the glass has not really been secured. We did liquid nails it, but it just wasn't secure. So I ended up finding this other door on Facebook Marketplace. It is a metal door, which is not the same as the other door. The other door is wood. I do feel like this one's a little bit more secure, and the glass is definitely in there, so I don't have to worry about it popping out. And you'll also notice that the oval glass sits much higher than the original glass, so I don't have to worry about Knox jumping on it as much. I don't think he'll be able to jump all the way up there now. He might be able to like peek out the window, but the pressure of him pushing on it is not going to be the same as it was with the original door. Now, something I actually like about this door is that the inside is white. It's just the original white door, and it's actually really pretty on the inside of the house. Like, it really brightened the space up. And what's crazy is so many of you guys have actually told me, paint your door. Like, because I love dark and moody though, so I don't know. I'm kind of leaning, I like both. I think it really just depends on my mood. It ultimately depends on my mood, because sometimes I want everything to be bright and white and clean, and then sometimes I have moods where I just want everything to be dark and just like moody, and I can just like curl up on the couch and close the blinds and make it super dark in here. I don't know. I have two personalities. Actually, I have multiple. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, I do like the white door. So I don't know if I should paint it. Let me know what y'all think. I'll show you guys in just a second what it looks like. I will also say I did a darn good job finding the perfect door, because not only did the door basically fit in the exact same spot as this door, like hinges and all, like it fit perfectly. The only thing we had to do was replace the weather stripping, and then obviously take the hinges off the first door and put it on this door. But that was probably like the easiest install we've ever had, ever. It honestly took us longer to put the doorknob on than it did to install the entire door. Why is that? Why do they make doorknobs so hard to put on? I'm not gonna lie too, it's actually, what time is it? Let me look. It's 11:51. I'm starting to get a little delusional because I haven't stayed up this late and edited in a long time. I've been going to bed like clockwork. We're in bed by like 9:30 the latest, and I've been falling asleep by 10, and this is super late for me. So like my eyes are getting heavy. Like I don't even know if I'm gonna be editing properly. But anyway, door's on. Now, don't let the weird white trim around the door fool you. I'm gonna fix it all up, don't worry. And there's also a couple oh my goodness, I clearly need to get some sleep. I don't care for it to be 100% perfect. I'm not that type of person anyway. And look, I got a killer deal on this door. I paid $100, $100 for that door. You can't beat that. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at it. See how white and bright? Like, I don't know. Do we like the white door? You'll have to let me know. But at this point, I realized that I didn't want to just use the original lock. I wanted to get like a nicer lock because at the bottom, and then I forgot my dog outside. He said, hey, you left me out there. He won't leave the yard though. Y'all don't have to worry. He's very, very, very well behaved up front, which is something I'm really proud of. Like, he stays right by our side. He was on the front porch. He was fine. But anyway, the door itself had like a little notch at the bottom where it had like one of those like pretty handles. So we needed to replace that. So we went and got one. Dylan installed it. And this is the part where we kind of messed up. I should have painted before he installed the doorknob, but it is what it is. And it took him so long to get that doorknob on. There was no way I was asking him to remove it for me to paint the door. So I painted around it. But before I could paint, I did have to scrape off all of the old paint that was like peeling and chipping. And I did a quick sand job on the door just so that way the new paint would adhere well. Now, not only did I get a great deal on the front door, paid $100 on Facebook Marketplace, I went to Walmart a couple weeks ago and saw an entire end cap of clearance paint. And one of my favorite paints was there. It was the exterior black paint. I don't know the exact name or brand, but it was clearanced out. I grabbed a gallon because it is the same paint that I used the last time on my front door, and it held up so good. Much better than even the expensive paints from like Lowe's. So really, really liked it, and that's what I'm actually painting the door with now. So I did start with the areas that were white just because I knew those were going to need a little bit more coats because it was such a bright background. But then the rest of the door I was able to get away with just one nice coat. Now, this was a day full of, actually, it was a weekend full of DIY projects. So not only did we get the door done, look how pretty, I also decided to make some DIY wooden or scrap wood Christmas trees. So this was actually something I saw recently on Pinterest. I was scrolling through, and I have so much scrap wood, as you can imagine, from all the projects I've done. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use this DeWalt tool set, and I'm going to chop up some wood, and I'm going to make me some little Christmas trees for our decor out front, because we decided this year that we were going all out for Christmas decor. Now, these DIY scrap wood Christmas trees are so easy to make. You can make them as big as you want or as small as you want with different, sizes of wood. It truly is just personal preference. What I did was I just looked on Pinterest, I saw them, and I was like, oh, I'm going to recreate that. And I just chopped some wood. I actually started out with this smaller tree, and then I loved it so much. I was like, oh, I'm making a taller one to sit next to that one. And I told my husband that I think I want to make a third one because they are really cute. They look cute, like, even during the day. And you know how sometimes, like, your Christmas decor in the front yard can look kind of, this is going to sound horrible, but I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like when the Christmas decor is out in the front yard when it's not blown up. I think what it is like the yard looks really messy because like the blow up, Christmas decor is like flat on the ground, and I don't know. So, everything looks like the Christmas lights in particular and Christmas decor, it looks the best at night, obviously. So I don't know. Having the wooden Christmas trees that look cute even during the day is kind of nice, because not everything looks like that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys us decorating the outside of the house for Christmas. Now, last year, we did not get around to decorating for Christmas, and it was kind of a bummer because it is something we do enjoy doing. We did have our Christmas, like our Govee lights on that we can change different colors, which I highly recommend those. If y'all remember, I did a sponsorship with Govee a long time ago. It's the permanent outdoor lights. When I tell you, other than my Giraffe Tools pressure washer, that's probably like I would say like there's probably like a top 5 sponsorships I've done. That's in my top 5 for sure. The Govee outdoor lights. So if you're ever in the market for permanent outdoor lights that change colors for every season. This is not sponsored, but definitely check them out because they are the bomb. But anyway, other than those, we didn't really decorate the house. We just had the tree in the window. That was it. So this year we were like, we're going all out. We pulled out every single strand. We didn't actually have a whole lot because a lot of it got mold. A lot of our Christmas stuff got ruined in our previous old shed, the old little metal one that had a leak in it. Yeah, a lot of our Christmas stuff got ruined. So we just used what we had, and we grabbed a couple new things from Walmart this year and created the most magical front yard Christmas scene. It looks so freaking cool. The kids are obsessed. I'm obsessed. I get excited when it gets dark. And I'm not even that type of person. Like, I want as much daylight as I can possibly get. But I'm looking forward to the sun going down just to see my lights out front. Like, that's how much I love this.
Hurry, hurry, Mama's looking worried. Will the pie be ready in time? Papa's out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here, same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far, everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they are, one after the other, knocking at the door. Here everybody's welcome, the rich and the poor. Kids play on the outside in the newly fallen snow, while the grown-ups all huddle up inside away from the blistering cold. Soon Santa will be here, the